Hindi ko po alam kasi like her, I am also from the farm. But
There is a mayor who is romantically involved with Mayor Alice Go from Pangasinan.
That's a revelation to me, Congressman Barber. I'd like to find out, is there...
Your Honor, hindi po ako yun. It had been said many times over that subject had been linked to a Pangasinan mayor. Pero hindi po ako yun. But I'm aware of some reports involving Pangasinan, Your Honor.
Ngayon ko lang nalaman yun, Congressman Barber.
Mr. Chair, I'm just asking, wala na ngayon? Or meron before? Or
Ewan ko. Mamaya na kayo mag-usap.
Congresswoman Janet, why are you interested? I would like
si
to
Paul.
ask, because I see my friend here, Mayor Batawel, no? I'd like to find out, Mayor Batawel, on your being the president yata of the League of Municipalities, no? Vice President, no? In Pangasinan, for example, do you know of any municipality that has a Pogo Hub in it? And my second question is it legal or illegal? What you find out?
Your Honor, we are guided by the existing rules and regulations, and we are aware that, and it has been confirmed by the State of the Nation address by the President, that POGOs are illegal, except for those who have been granted by the PAGCOR, no? Which were given up to December of this year to wind up. And on that note, the list of POGO involved municipalities were given to us, and the list is with our Secretariat of LMP. Your Honor, sir.
Yeah, do you have in Pangasinan alone? Do you have municipalities that are quite involved in having a Pogo Hub or whatever it is?
Your Honor, I have to refer to the list which had been given to us because that is based on some facts and evidence. And as personally, mine will just be a conjecture. But based on the list that had been submitted, maybe I can base my answer to your question, Your Honor.
Is there any? I would think that there are Pogo hubs in Pangasinan. Am I right? So if there are, I would like to ask if there is a relationship with Alice Go dyan, sa mga Pogo hubs na yan.
Hindi ko po alam kasi like her, I am also from the farm. But I'm aware of some reports involving Pangasinan, Your Honor.
Ngayon ko lang nalaman yun, Congressman Barbers.
If I may,
Go ahead.
I was following your questioning, Congressman Abante. Perhaps we can ask Mayor Batawil if he knows if there is a mayor who is romantically involved with Mayor Alice Go from Pangasinan.
That's a revelation to me, Congressman Barber. I'd like to find out, is there...
Your Honor, hindi po ako yun. It had been said many times over that subject had been linked to a Pangasinan mayor. Pero hindi po ako yun. Your Honor.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
So that will be the last.
Mr. Chair,
Thank you, Mr.
Mr. Chair, even
Wait,
before...
Wait. That will be the last question. You
Yeah.
want to interject
Yeah, Mr.
something?
Chair, I'm just asking, wala na ngayon? Or meron before? Or
Ewan ko. Mamaya na kayo mag-usap.
Congresswoman Janet, why are you interested?
Mr. Chair.
Okay, we need some funny moments, but there's another interjection from Congressman Akop. Sir, you are recognized.
I'll just follow up the question of the Honorable Abante.
Of course, I think that will be a funny moment. Go ahead.
Mayor Batawil.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. You're from Pangasinan, right? The mayor of Lingayen.
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you know the mayor of Sual, Pangasinan?
Yes, Your Honor. He is a
Is-
member of our chapter.
Is the rumor true?
Your Honor, like you as a former policeman, I base my statement on evidence.
And you do not have any evidence?
At the moment, personally, I do not have, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Oh, I said so. Before I yield back again kay Congressman Busita, I will be recognizing you for a brief interjection. But may question
just
lang
really-
ako, may question lang kay General Karamat. General Karamat, last na, baka makalimutan ko lang. General Karamat, kaprasa na lang, Chairman ako, pasensya ka na. General Karamat, may kilala ka bang JP Samson, yung may-ari ng West Cars, ng yung dinala kay Alice Go?
I cannot remember, sir. Hindi ko ma-recall kung may kilala kong JP Samson, but as far as I know, wala akong kakilala, sir.
General Karamat, you're under oath, ha?
Yes, sir.
I'm telling you. I'll be showing you a picture of John Patrick Samson and you together. But pictures, hindi naman magsasabi yan na meron kang involvement. But what I'm trying to say is kilala mo.
That
I will
picture-
send it to you, General
Yes, sir.
Karamat.
Yes, sir.
Because
I
what
could answer that,
what we
sir.
wanted is to ferret out the truth. And
I
I
could
will
answer
try to
that.
give it to you for you to find out kung nare-recall mo yung si John Patrick Samson. Si John Patrick Samson is the owner of the West Cars that was used by Alice Go doon sa kanyang mga sa Pogo, doon sa kanya sa Banban. And that's the reason why I'm asking you, I'm just testing you kung kilala mo. Tapos sinasabi mo hindi mo siya ma-recall. But now, are you going to tell us that you can recall him already?
Not all, Mr. Chairman, sir. As a CIDG director, many were inviting you, but it does not mean na yung kasama ko doon sa picture kilala ko. We are just like politicians. Anybody can take a
No,
picture with us, sir.
General Karamat, we are not trying to tell you that you have involvement. Ang sinasabi lang namin kanina.
I didn't say that I was involved.
Wait. I'm still talking, you know?
Yes, sir.
Ang sinasabi lang, tinatanong ko lang, tinatanong ko kung may kilala ka. Ang sabi ko, kaya nga pinakikita ko sa yung picture, ngayon nare-recall mo na siya.
Yes, sir.
O yan. O, di na-recall mo na, kilala mo na, that's it.
I just met him in one of the occasions, sir, but
Okay.
I do not know him personally, sir.
You don't know him personally.
Yes, sir.
Oh, this is one of the occasions that you have
Yes, sir.
be with him.
Yes, sir.
That's it.
Yes, sir.
Wala naman po kami sinasabing iba dito eh. Ang tinatanong ko lang kung may kilala kayong JP Samson.
Your question is kung kilala ko, sir. I cannot recall, sir, dahil sa dami ng nakikilala
Kaya
ko,
nga,
sir.
and
Hindi
then I
cannot
answer
recall
back.
their name
General
already,
Karamat,
sir.
wait. Then I answer back. Then I said, pakikita ko para at least ma-recall mo. Okay? So picture, sasabi na na-encounter mo siya. And that's the reason why we will be inviting over also John Patrick Samson, yung pong owner ng West Car high-end, para malaman po natin yung mga sinasabi natin lahat dito. Congressman Barbers, you are now recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. With the indulgence of Congressman Busita, yung sa akin lamang po, Mr. Chairman, is a clarification kasi dun sa narration ni General Karamat, it seems that he has no knowledge in other operations that was conducted by the CIDG because orders were coming from his superiors. No, in fairness to General Karamat, Mr. Chair, marami yung movements dun sa kanila, sa CIDG na apparently, he has not been informed, he has not been advised, or he has not been given the instructions. So, tama yung punto kanina ni Chairman na siguro dapat para magkaroon ng mas malinaw na narration o kwento itong ating kasi ang pinupunto natin dito, Mr. Chair, is why were these CIDG personnel relieved after they had successfully raided in illegal pogo. So, ang sagot naman ho ni General, yung iba nga ho, hindi niya alam because one, sabi niya he was out of the country. The others, he probably got orders from the higher ups. I remember in the last hearing that we had, it was General Bacayo, General Bakay, who actually gave the orders. Diba? So, I would like to ask the chair and the members of the committee, yun po kasing usapin doon sa CIDJ is just an adjacent issue. But the real issue, which is within the purview of the committee, is the illegal operations and other crimes committed by these illegal pogo operators. Siguro, Mr. Chair, with all due respect to you and to the other members of the committee, maybe we can refocus there. Anyway, nasagot na naman po ni General Karamat yung issue about transfers ng mga tao. That's all, Mr. Chair. And thank you, Congressman Busita.
Okay, Congressman Busita, now you have the floor.